Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of WCPS Builder, the Hookmas Products Ladder plugin we have recently updated for React-based Builder. So it's no longer only for using slider. We have added the masonry grid and the filterable grid and the advanced grid layout. So you will see the modern React-based builder, the edit panel and the preview on the right side, and under the tabs you will see the WCPS list. You can create new WCPS or search your WCPS from here. Also there is the navigation next previous, so you can navigate through your list. So once you select WCPS, you will see the preview on the right side, and you can go to edit to customize the preview or your target view. Also you can switch views to grid, slider, filterable or masonry. The basic options for the all view types has the query post items. You can target post or custom element like terms or categories, so we'll add later. And the most advanced query parameters we have added in our post query component. So you can add any query parameter that's WP query support. Also there is the queries preset for the quick query, and also copy paste to copy all query parameters to apply on another WCPS. So the setting is very basic, the lazy load and layouts. We have added the advanced layout editor, so you can customize the item layout. You will see the layout editor. You can drag and drop elements to add. Also you can select element to apply settings and apply style. Each element has multiple selector, so like post title has the reference link, so you can add any style or CSS properties to your any element. So we have added the most advanced style component. You can target idle hover for any element, like you see the font color, and you see the font color has changed. Also you can target the hover after before for this element, and each element has different options and different elements. You can customize as you want. So back to the editor, and also layouts we have added the preset layout or templates, so you can apply item layouts to loop layouts from this collection. This will not change the grid layout but only apply the items layout. Like you see the grid layout has unchanged but item layout has changed, and you see. And the wrapper element, the grid wrapper element, you can apply custom CSS like add a background color to the wrapper element, and you see the background color for the wrapper element. So you can target wrapper element to apply any style or CSS properties. Also you can add your custom class. The nth item CSS we have used to create the custom or advanced grid layout like this. The fourth item has 2 column span, so you see the grid column in and grid column start. So if you increase, you see the fourth item has the 3 column span. So by this nth item CSS, you can target any loop element or loop index to apply your style. Like the second element, you can apply the grid item column and grid item start if you want the second item with 2 column span. And the items wrap, there is the items loop wrapper. For the items container, you can apply any style or CSS properties by our advanced style component. And the item also has the selector. You can apply background color for the item wrapper. Like you see, the item wrapper has the background color. And you can add any style or CSS properties you want. And the pagination has the advanced setting for the grid view. And you see, we are customizing the grid view. You can set the pagination none or normal pagination, and you see the pagination live preview, the Ajax pagination, next previous, load more, and infinite load. Also, you can customize the text for the next previous, load more, and icon. We have added the most advanced icon picker, so you can pick icons from Font Awesome, Icophone, and Bootstrap icons. It's simple as it is. The pagination wrapper has the selector, so you can apply any CSS properties, and also item pagination items. You can target pagination items wrapper, so you can apply style like this. And you see, we have added the most advanced style component. And the active element has the style property, so you can apply your own style for the active pagination item. So that's all for the, you see, the grid view customization options, the most advanced customization options we have added. The same way you can target for the filterable view type. There is the options for the filters, and you can add the filter group and filter items by your post or product categories, and the filter options available, and the same way pagination and filterable paginations. And for the masonry view, you see the masonry layout and live preview. The same way you see the options for the view type masonry. You can customize the masonry options. You can see the number of columns. You can increase the number of columns, and pagination also available for the masonry view, so you can customize the pagination settings. And also layouts available, so you can apply your layouts or customize layouts element as you want. And the view type slider or carousel we have added. You see the slider options for the slider view, and the post query remains same as you see. The layouts also same. We can customize the layouts element as you want, and you can pick the preset from our layout library. And the navigation arrows has the options. You can target navigation wrapper items, navs item, previous icon, next icons. And the pagination and dots has the target or element target. You can choose the target for the pagination wrapper. Pagination items, so you can customize the background color for the pagination, you see, and you see the color applied. And as always, you can add any CSS properties to pagination elements and active elements. So this way you can create grid view, slider view, filterable, and masonry layout by our WCPS builder. And that's not the end. The templates has the ready-made layout, so you can apply style from our ready templates, you see. So this way you can create slider or grid view without customizing or get started from blank. So also there is a setting, you can add a license key here, and the preview and the foundation version and the access to the administrator or other user role. So, and finally you can use the shortcode, and we have added some help for production help and support videos. So once you are done with the view settings, you can copy paste the shortcode and use it on your favorite page builder or Gutenberg editor. You will see the beautiful slider or grid or masonry layout. So that's all. I hope you love this. Thank you so much.